The only animal that's never been filmed in the wild. Unraveling the mystery. 1. Meet the elusive animal that has never been filmed in its natural habitat. What a mystery. 2. This creature thrives in dense forests, making it nearly impossible for humans to observe. 3. Its shy behavior keeps it hidden from both cameras and curious onlookers alike. 4. The animal's unique adaptations help it evade capture, leaving us with only speculation. 5. Conservation efforts are crucial, as this mystery highlights the wonders still unexplored in nature. Join us in preserving wildlife and uncovering nature's secrets.